Today, during your phonics word study lesson, you practiced writing uppercase cursive letters. You wrote uppercase A, C, E, O, N, M, K, H, U. Today, during your practice, on a piece of paper or in your reader's notebook, whichever your teacher prefers, you are going to write one line of each of those uppercase letters. One line of uppercase A, uppercase C, uppercase E, uppercase O, uppercase N, uppercase M, uppercase K, uppercase H, and uppercase U. Then you're going to create one line of each of the uppercase cursive letter groups. So your first group is going to be all uppercase and all cursive A, C, E, O, N. Your next line will be all uppercase and all cursive M, K, H, U, C. Your next row will be uppercase and cursive E, M, K, H, U. Your next row will be uppercase and cursive C, E, O, M, K. Your next row will be uppercase and cursive K, H, U, A, C. And finally, your last row of uppercase and cursive letters will be O, H, K, A, C. Give that to your teacher when you are finished.